He's starting to slow down. Big day for you, hey?
I'll make you more. Don't eat grass.
Yeah. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? I don't know what to do with it.
Please. You bring it back to us when you're done. Please.
Yeah. He's got to work out the rest of the game.
The game is get the ball and you bring it back.
No, don't make him try and eat it.
I'm not. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Get. Can I turn behind the ball? That's what I want. She's more interested in me. I'm not doing anything interesting. Why do you like me? Well,